Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Sorento starter. Before you begin, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, safely lift your vehicle and secure it on 4 jack stands, ensuring a stable workspace. Finally, gather your tools, including a 3/8" drive ratchet, a 14mm socket, and several extensions. Proper preparation makes this job much smoother and safer for everyone involved. The starter is usually located underneath your vehicle, often nestled between the engine block and the catalytic converter. You may need to remove some plastic underbody covers or a heat shield to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main battery cable, which is often secured by a 14mm nut, and then detach the smaller solenoid wire, which might be an 8mm bolt or a simple clip connector. Always double-check that the battery is disconnected before touching these wires. Now it's time to remove the starter's mounting bolts. Most Kia Sorento starters are held in place by 2, sometimes 3, 14mm bolts. These can be tricky to reach due to the starter's location, so long extensions and a swivel might be helpful. Once all bolts are loosened and removed, gently wiggle the old starter free. It can be a tight fit, so take your time to carefully pull it out from its position. With the old starter out, carefully slide the new starter into place. Hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts first, then use your ratchet to secure them firmly. Next, reconnect the main battery cable and the smaller solenoid wire, ensuring they are both snug. Reinstall any heat shields, plastic covers, or brackets you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, lower your vehicle, and give it a test start to confirm your successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.